Okay, so we're gonna film in this corner. Got lots of scooters coming around. This corner's pretty awesome as well. We use some new different adjectives besides cool, so use awesome sometimes, I guess. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Let's see. I was walking in this area before. I think this is more like a marketplace. Let's walk down it. Yep, it's like a marketplace. So yep, got lots of clothing here. They're starting to shut down some of them as well, so it must be Christmas dog. Okay. I'm not much of a shopper, so if I'm walking fast, it's because I don't see anything that jumps out at me. Okay, you just walk through a little shopping area. Chiquinha, chiquinha.